my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, I'm Spirit Bastos, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And for today's lesson, I'll be showing you on how to sew abayas piping on purse. Let's get started. Now, you have to cut abayas piping first. You see this one? You have to get the perfect 45-degree angle for the bias cut or bias piping. It's this one, like this. You have to fold it this way. Okay. Okay, I'll show you also on how to join the bias. Okay, it must be a perfect 45-degree angle. Okay. Cut it here. Okay, and then like this. Okay, if that's not enough, then you have to make or to cut more. Okay, now let's proceed with stitching. I don't need an overlock machine with this one anymore, so just stitch one side shoulder together, facing the wrong side. Okay, like this, just one side. Okay, then trim a little and turn it around. Okay, then stitch. Now let's go with the piping. Like this. You have to turn it around. Take the piping. You have to measure whether your piping is enough or not for the neckline. If you don't have bigger pieces, you can join it. You see this one, these are diagonally cut, but when you attach it, just attach it this way, like this. Don't cut it straight here, don't cut it straight here, just attach it this way. Okay, but since I have bigger fabric, I'll just use the bigger one. Okay, like this. We start it from here. Okay, there. Now, as you go a bit stretching, but not too much, only slightly stretching. Okay. But when you reach the curved part, that is where you are going to stretch it more. Okay, like this. Here, just stretch a little because this is round part for the back. Okay, now you're going to turn it like this. You see, this extra, you need to cut like this. You have to hold it that way. You see my technique and stitching this one. Okay, like this. You see? You have to cover the thread with the piping. Then stitch it here. While stitching it, you're going to pull this body, but do not pull the piping. You see, I'm pushing this piping here on top, but I'm stretching the lower part. Okay? Just pull a little bit. Okay, see? I'm slightly pushing the piping on the upper part. This one I'm slightly stretching it, pulling it. Quite difficult if you do not know the technique in attaching the pipe, this bias piping. See? See, this is it. Okay. Now you are going to join this one this way.